Here's how to create a wooden marquetry design fast in Affinity. I'll be using our Wildwood toolkit to add real wood textures to vector shapes and create a wooden collage design. To apply a texture to a shape, simply select the shape and hit an icon from the Styles panel, like this. The size and proportion of the wood texture can easily be adjusted using the Fill tool. I'm adding more textures to complete the design. And as you can see, the process is incredibly quick and user-friendly. The Wildwood pack features a diverse range of real wood textures, which are supplied as seamless repeat patterns. This means they can be used to fill infinite-sized areas with no ugly edges or bad tiling. Be sure to click the link at the end of the video to explore the massive range of wood textures on offer. Wildwood also features a set of pyrography styles, perfect for adding burnt wood effects to your designs. Watch our dedicated video to learn more about this feature. The pack also comes with complete instructions and a quick reference guide. To finish the marquetry design, I'm adding a subtle inner shadow to all of the shapes. By selecting them, hitting the FX button on the Layers panel, then adjusting the effect sliders. And there's the finished marquetry design. Fancy having a go? Then follow the link to get the pack now. Save 20% with code TUBE20. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and follow our channel. And be sure to watch the next video to learn how to create a realistic pirate map in Affinity. Thanks for watching.